What is up everyone? Today I'm going to do a one brand tutorial and it is from Rare Beauty. And if you are interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so before we continue, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Nurul Jannah and I am a makeup enthusiast. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the dewy lip balm and mine is in the shade Honor. So I like my lip balm to be like in a stick form, but in any shade it is completely fine. Okay, so I do apologize if you see that my light is actually flickering. Okay, so we move on to the eye primer. Okay, so I've tried this once and what I like about it is it has a bit of tint to it, but nothing too pigmented. It's just nice. It actually has that sticky to powder finish. Okay, so the next product that I'm gonna try is the eyebrow pencil. This is definitely not my first time using it, and I'm almost done with the product itself. Okay, as you can tell, it's retractable, and that's the last final bit. I definitely will be stocking up. Okay, so this product comes with a dual ended. So one is with the retractable pencil and the other one is the eyebrow gel. So I don't use this eyebrow gel simply because I have a very fine eyebrow, so I don't really find I need to use that, so I use heavily on this part. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to use is the Discovery palette, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to take these two shades together and it's called Pure and Passionate. And today I'm going to actually create a smoky eye look with it. And I'm going to take this shade, orangey shade. I'm going to actually lighten the smoky eye look that I just created earlier. And blend everything together. Something that I realized about these eyeshadows, it has little to none fallout, as you can tell. And now I'm going to actually use my ring finger and I'm going to take this glitter shade and pack it at the center of my lid. At the areas that I leave empty just now. And this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm going to take like this shade. Okay, and then I'm going to actually apply it here. Okay, can you guys see that that glitter actually has a bit of fallout? Only that glitter. I guess everything is fine. And next I'm going to use the eyeliner, and it is the Perfect Strokes. I guess there's only one shade or two shades, like black and brown. So I'm going to just use this eyeliner and create a wing, just a mini wing right here. It is very dark and I love the tip. Okay, so I have already placed my lashes, and then I'm going to actually proceed with the rest of my face, and I'm going to use the primer. Okay, so it has like that gelish punya texture, and I'm just going to put it at the center of my face. I will continue doing my the rest of my eyes later once I'm done completing my face. So now we move on to the next step, and I'm going to use the concealer, and then and it's in the shade 290N. I'm just going to put just a tiny bit at that area first, because I realized that I cannot use a lot of concealer because it will start to start creasing. So I'm going to take bit by bit, and then I'm going to use a sponge, and then I'm just going to dab. Okay, so this is how my face looks like after I use the concealer. So one thing to take note, please avoid using a lot, because it will start creasing. I tried it a couple of times and this is my conclusion. And it is a medium coverage, so it is not like as thick as the Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, so before I proceed with the foundation, I'm going to actually put a liquid highlighter. These are the two shades that I have, and it is Transcend and Flaunt. And I think I'm going to use like this gold punya shade. Okay, so for this liquid highlighter, I will definitely normally use it like underneath my foundation, simply because it will definitely move your product around. So I tried that before and it is not the best feeling, you see. Okay, so this is my face looks like after I use the liquid highlighter. So it is actually very nice. And then I'm going to actually proceed with the foundation, and it is in the shade 310M. Okay, I'm not going to put it a lot as well, so definitely use sparingly. Try not to put a lot. So this foundation, it is definitely medium coverage, but you can actually build up as well. Okay, so before I proceed with the blusher, I have already set my face with a powder, okay, before it starts to crease and starts to move around. So yeah, so the next product I'm going to use is the liquid blusher, and I'm going to actually use Bliss for this look, but I'm going to do swatches as well. So one thing about this, the different types of liquid blusher that Rare Beauty provides, it has a few finishes, and this is actually quite matte. You know, it's like from liquid to powder finish, but as compared to the other one, it is more towards macam dewy feeling to it. So I prefer this because I have a lot of things going on right there, and I'm pretty sure that this is like the best color to, you know, work with. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to use a sample size for mascara. I'm going to actually show you how the mascara looks like without any products underneath my eyes here. Okay, and I do apologize, I tend to like go forward to the camera. I'm just excited. Okay, this is definitely a sample size. I also bought like the original size. I think this is like a free gift if you buy any products from Rare Beauty. I really love this mascara because it helps lengthen and volume my eyelashes. And so this is how my lashes looks like with 2 layers of that mascara, and I really love it so much. Going back to the palette, I'm going to actually put this pink shade. Dia macam pink, but from here it looks like gold tau. So dia macam dual chrome. I'm going to put these at my inner corners. Like so. Okay, so this is how my eye look using all the shades, and I'm going to actually use this gold shade, and I'm going to use my ring finger, and I'm going to actually apply it right here at my nose bridge. Look at that. And using that gold shade and put it at as my highlight. I'm going to use this as my highlight. Okay, for lips, I'm going to use the Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream, and it's in the shade Heroic. I'm going to actually put it at the center of my lips, like at the inside. I love this formula. It is very lightweight, very airy. Oops. And then I'm going to actually use a lip balm, nearly mauve. Again, it's like the same like family range. So this is how it looks like. One thing that I like about this lip gloss is that it's not sticky. Okay, so to set, I'm going to actually use the Always and Optimus 4-in-1. It has that very expensive punya smell, which I like. There you have it, a one brand tutorial from Rare Beauty. So I really hope that you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, okay? Bye bye. Okay, so let me do like the swatches at the back of my hand for blusher to let you see the different finishes. Okay, that is Joy, and I'm going to actually swatch Bliss side by side to let you see the difference. Okay, and I'm just going to like leave it for a while and I'll be right back. I remembered using this as my liquid shadow base, so it is in the shade Nearly Mauve. Okay, but today I did not use it. I really love this shade, by the way. It is so nice. I do not know why I didn't use this. Okay, so it has been a while. So this is how the two liquid blusher looks like. As you can tell, the Bliss is actually quite matte. It has that matte finish, and as compared to the Joy, it has that macam still wet, you know. So just to let you know that there are a few finishes. Okay,